Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial by Shana's Home DIY&Crafts. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add multiple colors of HTV vinyl to a t-shirt. This is just not a video of how to add multiple colors of HTV vinyl on a t-shirt. It's an Easter t-shirt. It's also a respiratory therapist Easter t-shirt, may I say. So what I did, I used my easy press to go ahead and take out any type of moisture in my shirt. And I'm going to be using my t-shirt ruler. And I'm just going to place that and line that up with my shirt. Then once I do so and I have it in a comfortable spot, I'm going to use my tape measurement, guys. I can't help it. I just like to use my tape measurement to make sure each side has the same measurement. So here we go. I'm going to be placing the half bottom of my word. This is the word P. And I'm going to put the half bottom there. So what I did, sorry, I missed the clip of how I used my press. I did use my press to press over that, and that clip is gone. So now I'm peeling off the backing of the vinyl. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be getting the top half of the letters and add that to the bottom half. And you see me there, I want to make sure there is no seam between or space in between the letters. So I'm trying to make sure it's like right on top so you can't tell that it was cut separately. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. You could also cut these on your mat, so you don't have to do what I'm doing, but I use scrap pieces of vinyls that I have in my scrap bin, okay? If it's your first time here, my name is Shana. I'm a registered respiratory therapist who loves to do all different type of crafting. If you like what you see here today, I hope you go ahead and check out some of my other content. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you can be the first when to notify when I upload a video. If it's not your first time here, welcome back. And also for my old subscribers, thank you guys so much for what you guys are doing for me. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate every views, from single views to no views to one views, whichever view there is. I appreciate you guys. So guys, I gotta tell you guys, I uploaded a short on this video and people was coming for me, guys. They were coming for me. I guess you couldn't see, if you notice, one of the P has like a blue. It's like a lighter blue or similar to the color of the shirt. And people was coming at me, oh, this is stupid, it don't make any sense. But anyways, I'm going to explain what the peep of 5 means. So there's going to be peep and there's the off, and the 5 is going to be 5 little chicken. I'm going to be used to represent the 5. So as a respiratory therapist, like I said, the shirt is a respiratory therapist shirt. We use a thing on a ventilator called peep of 5. We start from a peep of 5 and then we go all the way up. Okay, so PEEP means positive and expiratory pressure. Okay, so that's what the shirt is saying, PEEP, guys. It's not saying P. There's no L there. So I end up having to turn my comment section off because the shirt did went a little bit. It went up to 300 views, but people was coming for me was just, I can't blame them. They couldn't see it well. So people are just people. But anyways, this is what I'm doing. Now I'm using my mini press and I'm just going over all this after I have them set out how I want them. And I'm just pressing over those top lettering. So as you guys notice, I'm using a Teflon sheet here because the bottom half does not have a carrier sheet for the heat. And I don't want to burn the bottom half of my letters or my words. So here we go. I already pressed the 2 bottom one on, which is the off. So that's that. So now once I was done doing that, I'm gonna put my Teflon sheet over again. And I'm gonna, again, is the OCD. I have to keep lining up these half of the word or the letter, the half of the letter, should I say a word, whichever is the right way to say it. So I just keep lining those up because I'm afraid, I don't want it to like have a seam or a crease in between where you could tell that it's joined. I want it to look like one, like a print and cut versus just a regular basic cut. So this vinyl right here, come to find out, you see that it's hard. I have to put it back down. It's hard because it's a cool peel. So I'm gonna have to leave that piece and do the others while it cool down, and I'll come back to it to peel that part off. Again, with HTV vinyl, some are cool peel, some are warm peel, some are hot peel. So you just want to make sure you know about the vinyl that you're using. If it's a cool peel and you try to peel it off before time, what's going to happen is the vinyl is going to come out. The color or the writing is going to come up and it's going to mess your shirt up, and then you're going to get another shirt. Okay, so make sure you know what's what. So I'm pressing one letter at a time with my little mini press. You can use your easy press or your whichever big press you have or industrial press, but I choose to use these as it just work for me. Okay, so here we go, just lining up still, and that's all I'm doing. Alrighty guys, so let's get social guys. Don't forget to go on over and follow me over on Instagram, follow me over on Facebook, follow me over on TikTok, okay? I'm going to be having the links to my social media in the description box below. So go ahead and follow me over there, okay? Let's get social, people, okay? Once I was done pressing on the peep off, I'm about to put the 5, which my 5 little chickens. Remember I told you peep of 5. Instead of putting the number 5, I'm putting 5 little chickens. So here we go. I have my little chickens. I have them lined up. I have some of them facing each other. You know, they're cute. Aren't they cute? Those cute little chickens. So I have those lined up, and then I'm just gonna use my mini press once I have them in place again, and I'm just going to press over them. I'm gonna press that one first, and while I'm pressing this blue one that's almost look like the shirt on the video, but in person it don't, and this is why they came for me on the short, because in the short video, because excuse me, it looks like it. So I pressed that one first, as is a cool peel, so it will give it enough time to cool down. By the time I'm done pressing the other 4, it should cool down for me to peel it off. So this is what I'm doing, okay? Right, here we go guys. So now it's time for me to probably peel off this cool peel. So I was there talking, and that's what I was telling you guys. I leave it for last because it's a cool peel. So I'm gonna leave it. I think I'm gonna leave it now. So I'm gonna put in those little eyes. I make some little black dot for the eyes for the chicken. So I think I'm just oh, that's what I was probably saying in the video, because I had to mute it and do a voiceover. I was probably saying I'm gonna leave that and while I add the eyes for the chicken, and then I'll peel that piece off after. So here I'm going. You could use a tweezer, guys, to add these little eyes for the chicken if you want to. I was lazy to go upstairs in the craft room. I was doing this downstairs. So I'm just using my fingers to put the little eyes on the chicken. Make sure you line up your eyes good, guys, when you're doing it, because you don't want it to look crooked or cockeye. Because it does. It will, like that pink one. At first I put it away. It looked so cockeye, I had to fix it. So after getting them lined up and everything, I'm just going to put my Teflon sheet again over the image and press. If you notice, the first part I did not use a Teflon sheet, and the reason why I did not use a Teflon sheet is because I have a carrier sheet over the vinyl to prevent the vinyl from getting burned. So okay, that's why I use a Teflon sheet. Once I peel that carrier sheet off, I have to use a Teflon sheet over to add the eye. So you see that with the cool peel that I just peeled off, and it was a little challenging. I'm pretty sure you could see how it wasn't smooth as the others to get it off. It's a little challenging. So now I'm adding my other eye to the little chicken that I just pull backing off. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. if you make it this far, guys, to watching this video, I'm assuming you like what you see here. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, why don't you go ahead and do so to show me some love. That's all I ask of you, to hit that subscribe button and turn your notification on as I continue to present these contents to you guys. Also, go ahead and type me in the comment section what kind of video you would like to see next. I do all different type of videos, from t-shirt to tumblers to woodwork, whatever. So go ahead and also type in the comment section what video you would like to see next. You know, it's not all about me, it's about what you'd like to see next as well. So here I am, I'm just pressing, and I'm just running my mini iron or my mini press right across, because all the little chicken, I want to call them ducks so bad, I don't know, as their eyes in. So here we go, I'm just using my little weeding tool there to peel up that the back end of the eye from the chicken eye. Sorry, I can't talk today, guys. I don't know why I can't talk today, but sorry, you know, sometimes I can talk, sometimes I can't. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. So okay, once I was done peeling all the eyes, I went ahead with my mini press and I just put my Teflon sheet over my whole writing or image of the shirt and just rub my mini press across, back and forth, push and pull. You don't have to do this step, guys, but I like to do this step, especially that I'm doing piece by piece, just to make sure everything is intact. I know everything is intact, but this is just me. It's an OCD and a behavioral issue. Again, you don't have to do this, okay? And there we go. That's all it is to it. The shirt has been completed. I love how it turns out. It's very soft and nice. I love the coloring. I like how the peep looks. I like how the two letters attached together you can't see. Like I said, I was trying to aim for you not to see any seam or creases, and it did show out like it's one vinyl. You can't even tell that I add two pieces of vinyl together. But yes, guys, this is how you add multiple different colors of vinyl on a shirt. There is another way of doing so, but again, I have scrap vinyl. I'm not going to waste any vinyl. Vinyl is not cheap, guys. It's not cheap. So I'm not going to waste any vinyl. So that's what I come up with when I use pieces of vinyl from other colors of stuff that I've completed. So here we go. I put a pink scrub pants beside it, my sister's hope, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. I love how it turns out, not because I make it, but I absolutely love it, and I'm pretty sure others are going to like it as well. Now, if you enjoy watching this video, I'm going to ask you again, please give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, click that notification bell. Also, make sure you share this video with your friends and family. This way they won't miss out. Now, remember, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed.